Hello, everybody. We've come up here today to pick up this Buick Roadmaster. Give you a view of it before I get to roll back around here. Probably going to come in from behind it. Try to come up the hill, come in here, and come up behind the car and get it loaded that way. There's not much room in front. We could actually back up down here, hook to it, and winch it down and around. But I think we're going to be better off just coming in behind the car. A view of it there, and I'll go around here and get the truck. Let's see about getting this thing loaded up. So I picked her up with the bed, put some blocks under it to hold it up, back up here and run the bed up under it now. Now I can take my board, put it down under the, go over here and up on the bed, get one of the wider boards to put under the hub assembly over here, just so it don't eat in the aluminum bed. I can get up here with these vines, try to trip you. A lot of vines in here. Let's get this wide board. We'll put it under the rear assembly. Maybe let it slide on that. We actually need to scoot it in just a hair. If that's going to work, I'm going to get my J-hooks pulled out here and hooked on it now. All right, we've got our J-hooks on her now. We can pick her up, get her blocks back out from under there. And grab them on the other side, Greg, and I'll grab these. Put these back on the truck. If it's got a key in it to turn and straighten the wheels up, it does. Get them on the truck there, Greg. See if you can turn the wheels straight on it.
It's about new by the original owner.
About new by the original owner. Yeah. Did you get it from them or?
Probably.
What is it there, Greg? Nope. Won't turn?
Got electric steering.
Steering's probably unhooked. Well, we'll still get her here anyway. Let me go ahead and get her on back up here, pull the truck on under it. All right, since the steering won't turn and the wheels are turned this way, let's start pulling the car. The front car is going to come over this way. So what I'm going to do is turn the wheels on the roll back and just pull the roll back under the car. Let me go ahead and turn these wheels on the truck here, take it out of gear. Now we should be able to just pull the truck right under the car, maybe. No, it's still going to try to pull the car instead of pulling the truck. That's okay too. We'll just go about it this way then. Get her up here a little further. And I'll pull the truck up. Let me go ahead and just pull the truck up a little bit right now. Get the truck on a different angle right here so we can continue loading it this way. There we go. All I did is pull the truck up a little so it brought the bed over this way. It's gonna load right up that way. Yep, we just caught something. We'll let the little pressure back off. Tilt the bed on down. See if it'll come on up on there now. Oh yes. Oh yes. No problem at all. There's more than one way to do these things. If it don't work out right first way you're trying to do it a different way. Go ahead and put the brake back on the truck. Actually, I think I did when I pulled it up. Let me check it and make sure. Yes, now I have the brake back on. Weeds trying to take my chrome off, ain't it? Or vines. Weeds, vines, whatever they are. Get these excess gravels off the truck here now. Never want those coming back to hit anybody's windshield or anything. These people will get right behind you nowadays. I mean, leave no space in between you. Just run right up on the back of the truck and then get mad if their windshield gets cracked or something. Pull a bunch of these vines out. Get the J-hook on this end. Get her hooked down. Right, we got our J-hook on there. Got our chain down. And since this thing does not have a park or anything in it, and it kind of moves pretty easy, I'm going to go ahead and double chain it on both ends. And then we'll roll this thing back to my yard, guys. I just can't stand to see stuff like this crushed. I know it's not old, it's what I normally mess with and bring in, but it is older, and these cars and parts are getting harder to find all the time. Got a United We Stand Freedom, remember 9/11 license plate on the front. That's pretty cool. But I'm going to go ahead and pull it up out of these vines, double chain it down, then we'll roll her back to my yard. Well, we've got back here in my yard with it, and I think just for the moment I'm going to unload it right here by these Samurais just to get it out of the way here for the moment. I'm going to end up starting a whole nother row back here, and that will probably be one that goes in that row. I do have a Caprice like that as well that I need to get back here and put in the row with it. But just let the roll back bed off, let the car sit right here. Anyway, this roadway will still be open. I can get around it, and I'll get around here the next day or two with the loader and move it. I've got to move that LTD right there out of the roadway. I've got these two sitting here in the roadway. I've got to move those. I'm just bringing them in, dropping them off, and then I need to spend one day on the loader moving stuff around. I've got lots out there that needs to be moved around as well. So I'm just going to have to take a whole day with a loader moving some of this stuff around. But for now, let's get this thing unloaded here. Get the chain loose now. And I'm going to let the car partially way off the truck. And then we're going to go ahead and cut this converter right here as well. I know some of you guys probably seen that converter a while ago and was wondering, am I going to get that converter off of there? Yes, I'm going to go ahead and do that as we're unloading the car here. Gravel's popping under that rim. The gravels make a loud popping noise. Just unhook the other side as well. Hooks. Go ahead and get the car slid back here. We'll start cutting this converter. See if we're able to get to that converter now. Go ahead and give her a whack there, Joe Bob. Get that cut off. There we are. Now we're ready to unload. Is it full? Yep. Yes. It is full. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it. It's full. Awesome. Awesome. Just lay it over here for the moment. Get this thing slid off. Long old car. Grab one of these wheels right here, Joe Bob. We'll throw up under there to hold it up off the ground. And just slide it right up under here. See if you can grab that board there now. Put it back on the truck so we'll have it for next time. Actually put that rim under the back hub there now. And hold us up even a little more higher. There we go. There we are, guys. Got her back here at my yard. Like I said, she'll sit right here till I get ready to move it with a loader. And if you guys like this kind of content, please go to my channel, subscribe, hit that like button, ring that notification bell. Hope everybody's having a sensational day.